name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus videos around the week. Well, today's video is very special video, guys. This video is mainly dedicated to all my viewers out there because today I'm doing a giveaway video, guys, and this was much awaited. So yes, guys, today I'm doing this video for you guys and I'm very happy and blessed to have you on my channel and be part of your life. It makes me feel so happy. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting me, showering your love so far, and keep going, guys. Keep loving me, keep showering your support. It really means a lot to me. Well, before going ahead to this giveaway rules and what the giveaway is all about, I'll do a unboxing video. This is the very favorite makeup subscription box, which is the Glam Ego box, guys. This is the box. It came like this. It's in the cardboard packaging and let's open it up. So this is the box, guys. It looks absolutely stunning. You can see that, like, hashtag no resolutions. And trust me, I don't have any resolution for 2018. So I really like the packaging of the box, and there it's written, listen to him, size 0, say always yes, do not freak out, less, Instagram, size 0, and blah blah blah. Many more quotes are written over here. So this is the box, guys. By the way, this box was sent by the Glam Ego team, and thank you guys as well. Well, this month, like, they have sent us this card. Thanks for making Glam Ego India's #1 beauty box. So it has been the #1 beauty box. I can understand Glam Ego. The race has been neck to neck because there are so many beauty boxes right now in India. So it's been a real fight. So this card contains all the product details which are there in the box. So these are the details and this is the card out here. So the very first product is this Bio Bloom facial oil. This is an age defining radiance booster, 100% natural facial oil. And this looks like this. This came in a dropper kind of thing with a label kind of thing. You can see that from outside itself it's smelling so good, and I can get the fragrance of lemongrass. I don't know whether lemongrass is over there. Yes, so this is the facial oil, guys. By the way, this cost around $14.99, so which was really a steal deal because the box itself costs $3.99 for 1 month subscription. You can check all the details of the box down in the description box. So the second product is this natural bath and body vital nourishment cream with grapefruit and vitamin C. So this is your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. So I think if you have black spots around your skin or dark circles or acne scars, this cream, I think it will be suitable for it. It will be a bit citrusy because it contains grapefruit. So yes, guys, I think it's a deluxe sample or something. The cost of this nourishment cream is 220 rupees, which is really cute and it's very handy. You can throw it in your purse and you can carry anywhere. The next thing is this McCaffeine Caffeine Shower Gel. It's Liquid Funk. This is the Liquid Funk variant. I think it will be like little bit icy cool because of the blue color. So this is the one. You get around 50 ml of the product and it's paraben free, so it's pretty good for your skin, guys. And it's also very handy while traveling. When you are traveling, it's pretty handy. Next thing you will get is this is the product which you will choose. Once you place the order, you will get the option because the Glam Ego team will send you an email where you have to choose the color of the lip gloss. So this is the Bella Bostriel lip gloss. It's a full size product and the cost of this product is $5.99, and this is a very luxe, like, packaging and all. So you can see that this is the packaging, interior packaging, and yes, The shade name is Mercier Rouge. I love rouge color, so I chose this one. Though I'm not very fond of lip glosses, but I really like it. It's a bit of coralish color, so you can top it up with your favorite red lipstick, which is pretty great deal. So this is the box for the month of January. This is the box for the month of January, which was pretty good deal, guys. Well, the giveaway for this video is that you can either win this Glam Eco box for the month of January or for the month of February. That will be completely on you. I'm giving you the choice. You can choose from the month of January for the month of February, and you can win this box or for the month of February. That is absolutely up to you, because this box you have already seen what products you will get. But if you choose the February box, that will be completely surprise, so you can win accordingly. The giveaway ends on 29th of January, so make sure you participate. So now the giveaway rules, guys. The giveaway rules are pretty simple. You have to be my subscriber first of all. No negotiation and all. You have to be my subscriber and just post a comment down below, like multiple entries, all okay. You can post as many comments as you can. More comments you will post, there will be fair chances of your win. So yes, guys, the giveaway rules are pretty simple. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to comment down below, and you can post as many comments as you want. I would prefer if you write like what kind of videos you love watching and what kind of videos you want to watch in future. So make sure you write it down in your comments down below in the comment section. I would really appreciate, guys. And yes, that's all. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes, guys, love you so much. Take care and stay bright and beautiful. Love you. Bye.